Today, I'm going to show you how to embroider a sparkling side bag applique design. Step 1. Cutting the stabilizer. Start by cutting the stabilizer to the appropriate size, making sure it's larger than your embroidery frame. The stabilizer will help keep the fabric flat and prevent distortion during embroidery. Step 2. Setting up the embroidery frame. Place the fabric and stabilizer together in the embroidery frame. Make sure everything is pulled tight and wrinkle-free. Check that the fabric surface is smooth to ensure seamless embroidery. Step 3. Selecting the design and colors. On the embroidery machine, choose the bow applique design or upload your custom design. Then, select a color scheme that complements your fabric and style. Step 4. Threading the machine. Follow the threading instructions on your embroidery machine to thread each color in order, ensuring it's threaded correctly. Step 5. Cutting applique fabric. Cut your applique fabric to the correct size based on the design. Step 6. Click Trace. Confirm embroidery range. Step 7. Start embroidery. Step 8. Trimming excess material. Once the embroidery is complete, remove any excess stabilizer and applique fabric to give your project a clean, polished look. And just like that, your elegant side bow applique is ready to shine. Try it out and add a personal touch to your wardrobe. Don't forget to like and follow Poolin for more embroidery tips and tutorials.